Are you feeling overwhelmed and stressed? Or perhaps struggling with brain fog or anxiety? My friends, this might be because of your dysregulated nervous system. Maybe your nervous system is out of whack. You remember there's two sides of your autonomous nervous system: the sympathetic nervous system, which is also called flight or fight response. The second one is your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your rest and digest system of your body. Now, most of the time, we want to stay in our parasympathetic nervous system so your body can rejuvenate, your body can heal, and it can stay relaxed. And here's the good news: you can reset your nervous system in just 10 minutes of these breathing exercises. With today's ancient breathing exercises, will activate your vagus nerve. So let's quickly talk about your vagus nerve. Vagus nerve literally is called wandering. Vagus in Latin means wandering. This nerve wanders all the way throughout your whole body as a net, and it goes to different organs of your body. The two primary functions of this vagus nerve is, first, make sure all the body organs are doing okay. The second one is to stimulate or activate your parasympathetic nervous system. One of the best indication that your vagus nerve is active throughout your day is how relaxed are you during your day. How do you react to stress? When somebody tells you something you don't like, how do you react to that? All these are indications that if you're in your sympathetic nervous system, or are you predominantly in your parasympathetic nervous system. In just 10 minutes of these breathing exercises will shift you from your fight or flight response to rest and digest for deep relaxation. This will bring down your heartbeat and trigger your body's natural relaxation response. Once you are in your parasympathetic nervous system, then you react to the life circumstances in a more easy way. So today we'll regulate our nervous system so it stays in your parasympathetic nervous system most of the time, especially when you don't need to be in your fight or flight response. And is it possible to activate vagus nerve, to activate your parasympathetic nervous system just from the power of breathing and chanting? Well, let's experiment it. So without any further ado, let's go on to today's breathing exercises. The first one we do is diaphragmatic breathing with a little bit of tapping. The second one we do is Bhramari Pranayama, the humming bee breath to activate your vagus nerve. And the third one will end this practice with the chant of Om, the primordial sound. So without any further ado, let's come into cross-legged position, keeping your spine straight. All right, so we'll start with diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale for 6, hold for 9, and exhale for 9. And as you hold, we'll do the tapping. So make a fist just like this, and you're gonna tap your belly button and your diaphragm area, chest area all the way. Just making sure you can spread the tapping all the way towards the front of the body. So let's begin. Inhale for 6. Hold for 9. And exhale 9. Beautiful. Continue. Inhale 6. Holding for 9. And exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold 9, tapping. And exhale 9. Beautiful. 3 more times. Inhale 6. Hold 9. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold 9. And exhale 9. One last time. Inhale 6. Hold. Beautiful job. Very slowly allow the exhales to happen. Now your body is fully relaxed and your nervous system has been given the message that all the organs of the body are functioning well. Now we activate our vagus nerve through Bhramari Pranayama. We'll do 9 different rounds of Bhramari Pranayama divided in 3 different variations. So the first 3 chanting of Bhramari Pranayama is going to be sound ah with the mouth open. And you focus your attention right here. Second one, you focus your attention here, and this sound is going to be ooh. The third one, you bring the attention on your third eye and hypothalamus with the sound So you're activating your energy from the lower centers and bringing it all the way up towards your third eye. So let's go on to 7 doors closing mudra. Inhale fully. can slowly come to sit in meditation for a whole minute. Beautiful. Very slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends, we'll end this practice with 6 chants of Om. So we'll take a deep inhale. On exhale, we'll create this sound Om, very deep resonant sound through your body. So feel your whole body as you're chanting Om. Coming into Namaste, inhale fully. Beautiful job. Very slowly come in meditation and just focus on your whole body getting relaxed. And we'll do 2 minutes of just guided body scan. Close your eyes softly. Relax your body. and take a few deep, calming breaths. Begin a slow and deliberate body scan. As you focus on each part consciously, release any tension you're holding. Slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing, my friends. So I hope this video brought a little value into your life. Please continue doing these at least 21 times so this practice goes into your body and becomes your wisdom. You can do this exercise in the morning if you want to start on a relaxed foot. And you can also do this in the evening, before, even after dinner, because we're not doing any fire pranayamas. So please make sure you do this and tell us how you feel in your body. We have prepared 3 guided meditation audios to enhance your Kundalini awakening journey. With that, we also include a 21-session ebook that supports your Kundalini journey through daily reflections and tracks your spiritual progress. Link is available in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you might like to enroll in our comprehensive step-by-step Kundalini Awakening course. Join us on our Holistic Awakening membership that grants you access to the Kundalini course, along with all the breathwork courses and meditation courses we offer. And you can now download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, guided meditations, and calming sleep music, all in one place. Each day, you wait, you delay your transformation journey. So act now and click in the link in the description below to start your spiritual evolution. I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, breathing, and chanting in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Duggal, and namaste, peace, and love.